up? Welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. Today I'm sitting down with you guys to give you a review of these Maxfull Hair Extensions, and they are so cute. Like, let's just get into this. These are actually listed on Amazon, which is amazing because you know a girl loves Prime. The box is upside down, of course. But these are called Maxfull, and they come in this little box. And you open it up. Of course, I already opened it. I opened it the second I got the package because anytime I get new weave in the mail, I am ecstatic, thrilled. So I'm going to open these right up and show you guys. This is how they come packaged, and then along with, get the hairnet that I already took off because I already looked at them. But along with that, you get a cute little scrunchie, a nice little gift. This is actually a really cute color. I just bought a sweatshirt in that color, so it's perfect. It matches it. And there was just a paper in here. Yes, there was. And also a little thank you note from Maxfull Hair, which, you know, I love that. Also, if you leave a review, you get $15 cash back, you know, just in case you're so inclined. Okay, now let's get into the hair. Normally it comes in a net that I already tossed to the side, but how gorgeous is this color? Hold on, let me let this focus for a second. Now this is straight out of the box. There's no styling. It's so pretty. So this is a little bit lighter than my hair at the ends, but it blends beautifully because it has all these other tones. And I wanted something that's going to give it more of like a balayage ombre effect for summer. So these are only 14 inches and they're 110 grams. I know that all of their sets, I believe, are 110 grams. So if you are going for length versus thickness, I would definitely recommend ordering more than one set. For me, I personally just want these for a little bit of a, you know, like a push-up bra for my hair. So 14 inches, 110 grams is absolutely perfect. This is a seamless set. The band is so nice. These clips are so sturdy too. Like, I feel like I could put my trust in these clips. Like, I just spit everywhere. Oh my god, I'm disgusting. What is happening? I feel like I can put my trust in these clips. Like, I feel like if I have a rough night and I come home and I've got one eyelash hanging off and my lipstick smeared everywhere, I just know that this is gonna be exactly where I put it hours before. Just, you know, a very honest opinion. Clips are so important. You don't really think about that when you're ordering hair. You think about the quality of the hair, which this is like so soft. These are Remy extensions. If you're not familiar with like extension terminology, like if you're no expert, Remy means that the hair is cuticle correct. If you have hair that's not cuticle correct, that's not Remy, you're gonna wind up with a lot of issues when it comes to tangling, to roughness. It's not gonna be as soft, it's not gonna be as manageable, and it's not gonna last as long. You don't want hair that is not Remy. And you can usually feel if you like go straight down it. If it feels rough, then it's not Remy hair. There's 7 pieces here. You have one long I might as well just show you, honestly. I mean, what else am I here for? You have one long 4-piece weft. You have 2 of these 3-piece wefts that aren't focusing. Why is nothing focusing today? I'm just having an off day, and I would love to blame it on Mercury in retrograde, but I have no idea if Mercury is in retrograde. I don't really even know what that means. If someone wants to like explain in the comments down below, I would love to know. Someone read my chart. I'm a Sagittarius, just, you know, I feel like I should throw that out there. You know, get to know me. Anyway, so you also get 3 of these 2-piece and one little guy. I'm gonna pop these in and I'll show you guys what it looks like. So I'm starting by parting my hair low, like just below my ears. I like to keep things lower on my head, like more concentrated, just because, you know, free up the top for some action. I don't really know. I'm gonna take some volumizing dry shampoo. This is the Aussie Bounce Back dry shampoo and a little teasing comb, and I'm just gonna tease up that section. And I'm just going to back comb. I actually normally use this powder by the brand Verb that like just sprays into your hair. It's like a teasing powder and it is so good and I cannot find it anywhere. It's driving me crazy. Okay, so first I'm gonna go in with first I'm gonna drop everything everywhere. First I'm gonna go in with a 3-clip weft. I don't know why I can't say that and I keep like having to stop and like think about what I'm saying. And I'm just going to take that, I'm going to open all the clips and press that right. And like, she is secure. She is not going anywhere. So you can just see right from this first weft how beautifully this color blends with my hair. And it gives that like ombre effect that I'm looking for. So I'm going to go ahead, I'm going to speed up the rest of this and I will see you in a few. So I do have the one piece left over and I'm just going to pop that in right in my front area. Again, this is the thicker side of my head because I'm old and I still do a side part. So this is the hair straight out of the package, absolutely no styling, just put it to my hair. The color blends so beautifully with my hair, which is like really surprising because my hair is really in desperate need of being done, which I think I'm probably going to wind up going a little bit later again and have some of like the highlights like this pulled through because like I'm into it. It's a look. But I'm also debating, I'm like, damn, I might not have to because like why damage my hair? So I think these are really great. Like if you're not me, just like consistently playing with my hair. But I think these are really great with the blend as kind of like an alternative to highlighting your own hair. If you're looking for that look, for that appearance without actually damaging your hair, I would highly recommend getting a pair of extensions that are blended like these. So take one last look. This is so cute, but I'm going to go style it and I will be right back. Okay, so my hair is all curled. I used my straightener method. If you're interested in seeing how I get these curls, go ahead and click the link down below. I don't know why I'm speaking like this today. My brain is like 5 miles behind where the rest of me is. So please ignore me. Don't ignore me. Actually, like, subscribe, you know, all that good stuff. But like, you know what I mean. But I am digging this. Look at this. Okay, Maxfull Hair. Like, this looks so much better than my hair. Just like, my hair looks sad. Now I feel like I'm comparing it and my hair looks sad. This looks so cute. Final thoughts. I love these. These are perfect for summer. They're a lot more lightweight than like a full like 20-inch set. I think they definitely give like that desired look that I was going after, which is again like a push-up bra for your hair. The dimension, the color, everything about this hair is gorgeous. The quality is really nice, especially for the price. Maxfull Hair, gorgeous. You did that. I love my extensions. Thank you so much. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you have any questions, suggestions, anything, feel free to let me know in the comments down below. Be sure to like and subscribe, and I will see you guys next time. Thank you so much for tuning in.